Running Facebook ads from Shopify integrates seamlessly via the Facebook sales channel, targeting audiences to drive traffic and sales. This boosts conversions with dynamic product ads, for example, retargeting carts. Setup requires a Shopify store, Facebook Business Manager, and ad account. Budget starts at $5 per day. Expect ROI tracking via Pixel. Takes 15 to 30 minutes initially. Install Facebook channel. In Shopify admin, shopify.com/admin, go to Sales Channels, search Facebook and Instagram. Click Add Channel. Connect your Facebook account. Authorize Shopify to access your page and ad account. Setup Pixel. In the channel, install the Facebook Pixel, auto or manual code. This tracks events like views, adds to cart, purchases. Verify in Facebook Events Manager. Sync products. Upload your catalog, up to 50,000 items. Go to Marketing, Product Catalog in Facebook Business Manager. Sync via Shopify. Products appear for dynamic ads. Create campaign in Facebook Ads Manager, business.facebook.com. Click Create. Choose objective, for example, traffic conversions. Target audiences, age, interests, lookalikes. Use Shopify synced products for carousel or dynamic ads. Link to Shopify. Select Shopify as traffic destination. Set budget or schedule, for example, $10 per day. Add UTM tags for tracking in Shopify Analytics. Launch and optimize, review, publish. Monitor in Shopify Analytics, reports, or Facebook Insights. A/B test creatives, retarget abandoners. Tips: comply with policies, use high-quality images. Install Metapixel for accurate attribution. Start small, scale with 20% ROAS goal. For issues, use Shopify's ad apps like Klaviyo.